Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this charcoal mask. Now this is again not a sponsored video. This just came in my PR mail, so I just decided to give this a try and let you know guys if this one is actually worth, because this retails for an affordable rate. And yeah, now if you want to know more details about the product, then please keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. Now this product is from Good Vibes. The brand is Good Vibes and you can find this at purple.com. I'll link the site's link in the description box below. You can definitely check it out. Yeah. Now this one is an activated charcoal face mask and this is for deep cleansing. Now to speak about the package, now you have this kind of like a metal cap with a glass bottle for which you have to be very careful. And you also have like this plastic lid on the top which you can just remove and to get the product in. Now this is how the product actually looks. It smells a bit fresh and blunt, that's it. You just get like a small fresh hint of smell, but other than that there is no particular smell of the product. And this retails for ₹225 and you do also get all the ingredients list on the the package. Now this one, it says it has water, glycerin, activated charcoal and other random chemicals, and as far as I saw, this is paraben free and this is made in India, and you have to store this in a cool dry place as any other mask that should be taken care of. So you do also have like a small description of the the mask on the other side and how to use, and other caution areas like you should not use this on your eye area, and if you get in contact, just wash your face and go to doctor and all those stuffs. This also claims to give you like a youthful, fresh, glowing skin once after using this, and this also pulls out all the unwanted bacteria from your face, since this is meant for deep cleansing and also cleans your pores to an extreme level. Now to speak about the consistency, this feels extremely soft. Like this is like this mousse kind of consistency, like the the chocolate mousse you used to have, right? That kind of consistency. This is extremely smooth and soft. Now when applied on the skin, this does not give any tingling or itchy kind of effects, which is nice. Like you have to actually leave this on your skin for at least 20 minutes. Now if you are on the sensitive skin side, now I would like to say that you have to have like a swatch test or a patch test before you apply on the entire face. And if you are on the dry skin, you can definitely use this. If you are on the oily skin, you are most welcome to use this. And if you are on the dry skin and if you actually want to get like a good detox or deep cleansing, you can definitely use on the areas which you actually prefer. I would recommend you to use a good scrub before you apply this face mask. And once after applying, you can just leave this on your face for 20 minutes and you can just wash it off. I should say I have used this like solid 3 times, like in 2 weeks, and I visibly saw like reduction in the small bumps on my face. I used to have this every time. Like I don't know if that is because of shaving. I used to shave my face for the facial hair. I don't know if that is because of the blades, but I do get like small tiny bumps which actually does not go really very soon. And this mask actually helped me to get rid of that. It just made it soft and disappear as the day went by. So yes, if you are someone with oily skin and looking for a deep cleansing face mask, I would highly recommend you this one from Good Vibes. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. You to scrub and exfoliate your face before you apply this face mask because